Hi, I'm Liz from Caravan Guard Insurance. Making sure you have enough gas in your caravan or motorhome is often overlooked until it's too late. And there's nothing worse than running out of gas when you're halfway through a holiday, particularly in the colder months, or you're halfway through cooking dinner, or whilst having a nice hot shower. Gas not only provides heat for cooking, but can also be used for the hot water, heating and to cool the fridge too. So it's important to regularly check how much gas you have. Now there are various ways to do this, as well as lots of tools available. In this video we'll demonstrate some devices on how to check gas levels, but if you don't have a gas monitor, then we'll also share some methods you can use to check how much gas is left. But first, let's look at some of the most common devices on the market. Perhaps the cheapest gas monitor is this simple magnetic strip that sticks to the side of a gas cylinder, which should display how much gas is left. Feedback is that these aren't very accurate, but they are widely available and used. If you can get them to work, it might provide a rough estimate of how much gas there is in the cylinder. Another downside is that they will not work on refillable gas cylinders like the safe fill or plastic coated bottles. Instead, they're designed only for use on metallic propane and butane cylinders. Another common device is the inline gas meter. These aren't level indicators though, instead they're pressure gauges, and the idea behind these is that as gas runs out, the pressure falls. Like the magnetic strips, they're not very accurate, but they can give you an idea of how much gas you have left. And one product that's worthy of mention is Gas Stop. This device has a gas shut-off feature if the gas system has a leak, but it also includes a rudimentary level indicator too. The Truma LevelControl magnetically fits to the bottom of a metal gas cylinder and uses ultrasound to detect the gas level inside. It connects via Bluetooth to your mobile phone or tablet, and the LevelControl app then communicates with the device and displays how much gas you have. You can configure the app for a variety of gas cylinder sizes and shapes, but it will not work on non-metallic bottles. The LevelControl device uses two AAA batteries that will last about a year. You just need to remember to remove the LevelControl when you replace the gas cylinder. Pen devices like the Dometic Gas Checker gas level indicator and this Truma gas level check pen have been around for a number of years. You simply press the pen against the side of the gas bottle and it will indicate either green or red, again using ultrasound to detect the gas levels. To use this device, start at the top of the gas cylinder, holding the pen at 90 degrees and press. It should indicate red. Then move the pen down the cylinder and retest, and continue to do this until the indicator turns green. This will be the level of gas you have in the bottle. The W8 gas control system is an electronic scale that you can leave in situ under your gas cylinder so it can constantly monitor your gas usage. Setup is easy by downloading the free W8 app and inputting your gas bottle's capacity weight and tare weight, which we'll discuss later. Once set up, you simply place the device inside your gas locker, sit the gas bottle on top, and the app will tell you how much gas is in the cylinder. You'll just need to make sure you have sufficient height in your gas locker to use this device. So far we've looked at a number of devices available to buy. But what if you don't have one and you think you're low on gas? Now these three methods can help when you have no specialised gauges to hand. So first of all, we're going to shake the gas cylinder. So safely disconnect the gas cylinder from your leisure vehicle, close the valve and simply give it a shake. Gas is held under pressure in the cylinder and you should be able to hear it sloshing around inside. It's a simple test to see if you have some gas in the cylinder, but it won't actually give you an idea of exactly how much. The second is the water test. If you want to know how much gas you have, the water method can be very useful. With the gas cylinder safely disconnected and removed from your leisure vehicle, simply pour hot water down the side. After a moment, you should start to see a line form on the gas cylinder. In this example here, you can see the hot water started to evaporate where there is no gas present, indicating the level of gas. Or you can move your hand down the cylinder to detect where the temperature of the cylinder turns from warmer to colder. Done correctly, this is an accurate way of discovering how much gas you have. However, it's not very practical as you do need to remove the gas cylinder, and if you have no gas, you might not be able to get hot water. The third method is weighing. A more mathematical approach is to simply weigh the gas cylinder. Most propane and butane gas cylinders will have an aluminium disc around the collar showing the empty weight of the bottle. This is sometimes called the tare weight. If there is no aluminium disc, like these Gamping gas cylinders, the tare weight will be stamped on the bottom rim. On our 7 kilogram bottle of butane gas, the disc is showing a weight for the empty bottle of 1810. Now this is 18 pounds and 10 ounces, which equates to 8.45 kilograms. So, by simply adding up 7 kilograms for our gas, plus 8.45 kilograms for the weight of our bottle, it means the full bottle weight would be 15.45 kilograms. Using a set of bathroom scales, we have measured a weight of 12.5 kilograms on our 7 kilogram butane cylinder. So let's do some sums. Starting with the weight we have on the scales, if we take the tare weight of 8.45 kilograms off, we can see we have 4.05 kilograms of gas left. Or to show this another way, if we divide 4.05 by 7, then multiply by 100, we can see we have just under 58% of gas remaining. So there you go, a variety of devices and methods that you can use to check how much gas is left in your gas bottle. It's important to verify the safe working of your gas system, and this is done during an annual habitation service of your caravan or motorhome. And remember, if you do smell gas and any gas rings burn with an orange colour rather than blue, do get things checked out. Where space and weight allows, why not consider using one large gas cylinder and one smaller one as an emergency backup? And always travel with gas cylinders safely secured and upright, and consider the weight of your full gas bottles and the impact on your payload. If you do use a lot of gas, you might also want to consider moving to a refillable system with onboard cylinders that can be refilled by you. And these systems often include gas level gauges, which will give you an estimate of how much gas you have left. If you have room to carry 2 gas cylinders, there are also devices which switch over the gas cylinders when one runs empty. We hope you found this video useful and that it will help you to keep cooking on gas. For more caravanning and motorhoming hints and tips, why not head on over to the Caravan Guard website. Thanks for watching.